Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox Redmi Note 12. So let's begin. So here you can see this is my box. Let's unbox this. So this color is black, you can see. I'm just opening it. Well, this is some user manual, also case, clear case in this box, and here is the main mobile phone. So let's open this. So here you can see this is, you can check. You can check it. It's totally black. So this is a charger point, USB-C, Type-C, speaker, and 3.5 mm jack, SIM card tray on here. So that's it.